Stop guessing when earthquakes will hit. Let's dive into the science of predictions. Scientists have been trying to predict earthquakes for decades, but the Earth isn't giving up its secrets that easily. While we can detect early signs like small tremors, predicting the exact time and place of a big quake, that's still out of reach. Current technology can tell us where earthquakes are to happen based on tectonic plates and fault lines. Think California's San Andreas Fault. But predicting the when is like trying to guess the winning lottery numbers. Despite this, early warning systems are improving. They can give precious seconds of notice, enough to save lives. So can we predict earthquakes? Not yet. But with advances in technology, who knows what the future holds? Stay curious, stay safe. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more cool science facts.